Everybody, you've probably seen these zippable outdoor beach towels, picnic blankets. They're super nice, super convenient. Just carry them out to the beach, you unzip these bad boys, throw them down. We use them in our lawn for picnics. They're easy to clean, get sand off them really easy. They're super convenient, lots of different brands. This is probably a cheap Walmart mainstay brand, but it's lasted us quite a while. Got a little hole right here. But if you have used these, and you probably have also noticed that putting them back together can be a real pain in the butt. So today I'm going to show you this simple, easy hack to zip up a zippable outdoor blanket. All right, so here we've got our outdoor picnic blanket or outdoor beach blanket, right? You've set it out on the lawn, you had your picnic, had your fun. Now it's time to zip the thing up, which sounds really easy, except conventional wisdom would tell you that you're supposed to fold this thing up and fold it into the corner where you can see the zippers. So you can see right here, it's got two sections with the zippers. So the idea, at least what you would think you're supposed to do, is fold this thing, into a square that you can then put right in here and zip back up. And I think that's what a lot of people do, but it's not nearly that simple. These things are a total pain in the butt. All right, let's give it a shot and see if we can fold this thing up. Okay, so I did it. I was able to get it into an acceptable folding pattern. To fold this thing up. But time lapse, that took me like at least a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. And I looked like an idiot trying to do that. But the truth is, there's a much easier way to do this. And that's what we're gonna talk about next. Well, if you're done with the hassle of trying to fold one of these bad boys up, there is a better way to do this. So I'm gonna show you this simple life hack for folding up, zipping up a zippable outdoor blanket. All you gotta do, first thing, find the zipper, zip down one side, fold in a little bit on the second, zip down two. Once you have two sides zipped, you go the old parachute, sleeping bag, stuffing anything in method, and you've got your bag. All right, now it's zipped up, ready to go. Check that thing in the car. Easiest thing you did all day. So that's how you do it. Folding up, zipping up a zippable blanket, the easy way. Boom, we're done. All right, if you like that video, like, subscribe, check out our channel for more yard, lawn, DIY tips from two guys just trying to figure out life.